give me high five. मैम को सब high five दे दो. Come on, high five. Yes. Okay. Chalo. Now we'll start our class. So before that, Priyan, Reet, switch on the camera. Tanvi, Roseanne, everyone. Come on, Annie. आ जाओ जल्दी सब. All right. Chalo, now we'll sing welcome song together. ठीक है? And I'm looking at each one of you, मैम. सबको देख रहे हैं कौन पढ़ रहा है कौन नहीं. ठीक है? Let's see. We welcome you to school today. School today. School today. We welcome you to school today. Please come and play. We are glad to have you here today. Here today. Here today. We are glad to have you here today. Yes, it's a special day. Welcome everyone. Welcome once again to this new and beautiful day. Same as like you. चलो, now we'll sing. अब हम क्या पढ़ेंगे तुषांत बताएगा मैम को. तुषांत अनम्यूट करो and say. Now what we are going to sing?
नहीं मैम को बताओ क्या पढ़ोगे.
हिन्ना चिड़िया पढ़ूंगा.
नहीं बताओ मैम को बताओ.
चिप्स पढ़ूंगा.
नहीं
खिलौना पढ़ूंगा.
नहीं मैम.
Tushant, what we are going to do now?
7 day.
No, chalo, we'll ask some another one. Shubh, you unmute. Yes, Shubh. What we are going to do now? मैम है ना भूल जाते हैं. अब बताना पड़ेगा आपको कि क्या करें हम लोग. चलो बताओ. Yes, very good. Fruit salad we are going to sing. Very nice. Very good. Chalo, we'll sing fruit salad together. And I'm looking at each one of you. ठीक है? Chalo, come on, we'll say it together. Watermelon, watermelon, papaya, papaya, chiku, 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 fruit salad, fruit salad, custard apple, custard apple, pineapple, pineapple, guava, 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 fruit salad, fruit salad. Now, after fruits क्या आएगा? Urvansh, you say, what comes after fruits? चलो चलो उर्वांश अनम्यूट. Yes, vegetables. You start singing also. Very nice. Chalo, let's say it together. So what comes after fruits? Vegetables. Chalo kids. Come on, Gitanshi. Bottle gourd, bottle gourd, potato, potato, onions, 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 vegetables, vegetables, cauliflower, cauliflower, tomato, tomato, cabbage, 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 vegetables, vegetables, cauliflower, cauliflower, tomato, tomato, onions, 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 vegetables, vegetables. Okay. Chalo. Now, what we are going to do now after vegetables? अब हम क्या करेंगे? Who is going to tell me? Jagrati, unmute. Jagrati, now what we are going to do? Bolo. Yes, exercise is very good. Chalo, come on kids. Stand up for exercises. चलो चलो everyone. मैम ने आपको क्या बताया था कि whenever we sing national anthem, जब हम नेशनल एंथम पढ़ते हैं या कहीं और जगह नेशनल एंथम की हमें आवाज आए, ठीक है, anywhere somewhere national anthem is being played, so you should stand straight. ठीक है, हमको सीधे खड़े हो जाना है. दिव्यांशी ऐसे 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 नहीं करना है. ठीक है, we should stand straight. And Lavish, I'm waiting you to stand. I'm waiting for you to stand. Come on. Come on, be a good boy. बच्चा चलो उठ जाओ. Roseanne, you also have to stand. All right. Rest everyone is standing. All right. Very good. Now everyone, thumbs inside, fingers on the top, hands by your side. Attention. Now nobody will move. Okay? Chalo. Exercises we are going to do afterwards. Okay? First of all, we are going to sing national anthem, then we'll do exercises. Chalo. Attention. Now nobody will move here and there. Do not look here and there. Okay? Start. Jana Gana Mana Adinayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravin Utkal Banga Vindhya Himachal Yamuna Ganga उच्चल जलधि तरंग तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जय हिंद. चलो नाउ व्योम, बेटा आपको है सीधे खड़े होना है. ठीक है? All right. Now everyone, why to sit? Stand up. You have to do exercises now. अब क्यों बैठ गए सब? चलो चलो stand up again. Exercises भी तो करेंगे ना हम. Come on. So what we have to do? What we have to do? Stretch your arms and clap. 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 Slowly slowly करेंगे पहले हम. Then fast. 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 Stretch your arms and clap. Fast. 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 Now wiggle your fingers slowly, slowly, slowly. Now fast, fast, fast. Now keep both the hands on your waist. आपके दोनों हाथ आपकी कमर पे रखो जल्दी जल्दी. Then jump, 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 jump. Okay. Now अब हम क्या करेंगे? अब हम हमारी वेस्ट को ऐसे रोटेट करेंगे, राउंड राउंड करेंगे. चलो, कम ऑन. वेल डन, वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस ऑल ऑफ यू. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. करो 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 नमेश. चलो. यस. नाउ Raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet. Come on, again. Raise your hands higher and bend yourself. आपको bend रहना है जब तक मैम आपको उठने का ना कहें. Again, raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet. Chalo, we'll do it one more time. Raise your hands higher, Divija, and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet. Okay, now we have to run. Come on, run, 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 run. Jaldi, fast, fast. Divija, खड़े हो जाओ. Yes. Well done. Sit down now, everyone. Very, very good, all of you. Very good. Chalo. Now, Vivan will tell us how many days are there in a week. Unmute.
कितने डेज होते हैं वीक में?
अच्छा, आप मुझे फिंगर बता रहे पर काउंट करके बताओ.
जोर से बोलो.
7 days.
7 days. Very good. So how many days, kids? 7 days. Chalo. Now we'll say it together. Dishan. Dishan, unmute. Dishan. Dishan, can you hear me? Unmute. Chalo.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How many days are there in a week? आपका ध्यान नहीं है यहाँ पर? How many days?
9.
मैम आप मत बताइए. Don't tell. Dishan, मैम डेली आपको बताते हैं ना. How many days are there in a week? एक वीक में कितने डेज होते हैं?
अच्छा नाम बता दो डेज के. आपको नाम आते हैं ना, मैम को बताओ.
Tadu.
नहीं, अच्छे से सुना है, ऐसे नहीं करते ना.
There are
जल्दी बताओ.
7 days. कितने डेज हैं
करो,
everyone?
finger करो.
There are
हम लोग
7
7
days
बोलो
in
मैम
a
के
week.
साथ.
Yes. Chalo, let's say it together. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And Sunday is the holiday. Yes. Chalo. Now let's talk about the day and the date. So yesterday was Tuesday. कल Tuesday था. तो आज कौन सा डे हुआ? Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. What is the day today? Today is Wednesday. Okay. Chalo. Today is Wednesday and the date is 29 September 2021. Chalo. All right, let's start our work. So kids, get your numeracy workbook. Your numeracy workbook. In this, we have to do a fun activity. You have to join the dots, join the numbers, and then color the image. Your numeracy workbook, page number 2626. So I'm writing the book name and the page number in the chat box. Numeracy workbook, page number 2626. I had written the book name and the page number, everything in the chat box. ठीक है? So आपको counting आती ना? तो we have to, what we have to do? We have to start from the 1 और हमको 10 तक लाना है. Before that, let's revise the numbers first. Everyone, before that, let's revise the number first. Jaldi jaldi, quickly we'll revise the number. Come on, everyone, say 1. Come on, pay attention. 2. Then after 2, 3. Which number is this? 3. After 3, 4. Pay attention. Divyanshi. Then after 4, 5. What comes after 4? 5. Then 6. Which number is this? This is number 6. After 6, 7. This is number 7. Say everyone. After 7, 8. Now, 9. And 1, 0, 10. Okay. Now, get back to your activity. What you have to do? You have to join the dots and color the figure. आपको यहाँ 1 दिख रहा है? Kids, is 1 is visible to you? आपको 1 से पेंसिल रखो and आपको स्टार्ट करना है. You have to join the dots. 1 के बाद क्या आता है? What comes after 1? 2. तो हम 1 को 2 से ऐड करेंगे, जोड़ेंगे, कनेक्ट करेंगे. Look, we have to start from here. 1. फिर यहाँ से we have to make sleeping line till 2. देखो मैम ने 1 को 2 से कनेक्ट करा है ना. अब 2 के बाद क्या आता है? What comes after 2? Annie, what comes after 2? What? Loud. 3. Yes, very good. So what comes after 2? 3. अब हम क्या करेंगे? What we have to do? We have to join 2 with 3. We have to connect the dots. So connect it. Then Adya, unmute. What comes after 3, Adya?
4.
क्या आएगा 3 के बाद? मैम पूछ रही है.
4. Okay, very good. So connect the 3 with 4. Now, Krishna, what comes after 4?
आफ्टर 4 के बाद बताओ. मैम को बताओ ना.
Krishna,
बताओ जल्दी बताओ.
बताओ जल्दी. मैम भूल गए. क्या आएगा 4 के बाद?
जल्दी बताओ. बोलो काउंटिंग करके बताओ यहाँ से. हाँ लेडी बर्ड. मैम काउंटिंग बताओ. मैम को नहीं पता ना. जल्दी बताओ. बोलो 1. जल्दी बोलो पहले. हाँ जी मैं रहती. पहले मैम को वो सुनाओ नंबर. बोलो 1.
4.
4 के बाद क्या आया?
Say loudly.
तेज बोलो. तेज थोड़ा तेज बोलो बेटा. बेटा किशु तेज बोलो ना. 4 के बाद क्या बोला था आपने अभी? 5 ना. तो तेज बोलो.
5. Okay.
मैम बोल.
Okay, okay. Yes, good. Now we have to connect the dots of 4 and 5. Now, Roseanne, unmute and say what comes after 5. What comes after 5? Unmute करो बच्चा पहले. Tell me.
6.
Yes,
6.
very good. So what comes after 5? 6. So now we have to connect the 5 with 6. We have to join the dots. Okay. Now, Vyom. Vyom, unmute. Now you tell me, हमने 6 तक कर लिया. Now what comes after 6? 6 के बाद क्या आएगा बच्चा? Ma'am, parents are requested not to help. Please. उनको सोचने दीजिए. Let them think. चलो व्योम सोचो जल्दी. 6 के बाद क्या आएगा बच्चा?
7.
7. Very good. So we have to join the dots of 6 with 7. Now Reet, unmute. Reet, now you tell me what comes after 7. 7 को अब हम किससे ज्वाइन करें रीत? 7 के बाद क्या आता है?
ज्वाइन करो 7 से। नहीं 7 के बाद क्या आता है? आपने क्या लिखा? सोन से कैट।
After 7, 8. So join the dot of 7 with 8. Now, Namesh, unmute Namesh. Namesh, chalo, now your turn. After 8, what comes after 8?
8 के बाद क्या आता है? बताओ जल्दी। वेरी गुड।
Very good, beta. So what comes after 8? 9. Now, Manan. Manan, अब आप बताओ बच्चा, what comes after 9? Unmute करो. Manan, आपकी मम्मा नहीं है, unmute करो. Mama is with you or not? चलो, all right then. Divyanshi, you tell me. Divyanshi, unmute. Chalo, now tell me what comes after 9.
What's come after 9?
Okay, very good. So 10 comes after 9. So we have to connect the dots of 9 with 10.
चलो 9 and 10 को
And फिर 10
Join
को हम 1 से ज्वाइन करेंगे. अब देखो क्या बन गया. कौन सा नंबर बन गया?
ये वाला डॉट मैच करो 9 and 10.
दिविजा, अनम्यूट दिविजा, यू टेल मी. अब कौन सा नंबर बन गया ये ज्वाइन करने के बाद डॉट्स? दिविजा, दिविजा, yes. Now दिविजा टेल मी. We had joined all the dots. हमने सारे dots join करे ना. अब you see कौन सा नंबर बना है? Which number?
मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
Am I audible, everyone? Am I audible? Kindly show your thumbs up. Yes. Ma'am, you check your mic, please. चलो विनय, you tell me. कौन सा नंबर बना है?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, बच्चा. Very good morning to you. Say
7.
7. Yes, 7. So now what you have to do? You have to color the 7. Okay, color it, everyone. Color the number 7. Color it neatly inside the lines. Your literacy skill book and open page number 43. Literacy skill book, page number 43. So I am writing the book name in the page number in the chat box. Literacy skill book, page number 43. Okay, so we are going to learn a new letter today. Before that, let's revise the previous letters. Come on, mothers, it's your responsibility. अब बच्चों को बोलना है. They have to read along with me. ठीक है? बच्चों, you have to read along with me all the letters. क्विकली वी आर गोइंग टू रिवाइज इट. ठीक है, चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट. जल्दी जल्दी हम सब विनर बन जाते हैं. कम ऑन, से A. Which letter is this? This is letter A. Apple. Then B. You have to say the phonic sound as well along with the letter. B. The ball. Then C. का cap. After C, D. Everyone, I am looking at you. You all have to say loudly. D. The doll. Then after D, E. Elephant. Engine. Letter E. Now, after E, what comes after E? F. F for fish. After F, G. Grapes. After G, H. Hat. Now, after H, Gitanshi, you say. What comes after H?
Hat.
After H?
Hand.
H के बाद कौन सा लेटर आएगा? I'm asking that. F, G, H.
F for fish.
नहीं बेटा, H के बाद क्या आता है? I'm asking that.
M.
देखो मैम के साथ बोलो. F, G, H and I.
Ice cream.
Yes, ice cream. Yes, Annie's mother. है ना, हमने A to M पढ़ा था. Today we are going to learn a new letter. So let's see M के बाद क्या आता है. चलो, come on. What comes after N? N. Which letter is this? This is letter N. The sound of N is na. Na. And na, nose. आप सबके पास nose है? Where it is? Yes. And na, nose. And na, net. And ना nest. जो birds बनाती है nest, वो भी N से आता है. Nest. Okay. Which letter is this, everyone? Say, this is letter M. N. Which letter is this? This is letter N. N. The sound of N is na. N na, nose. N na, net. And N na, nest. Okay, kids, The meeting is about to get over, so we'll continue this work after the screen break. ठीक है? अब ये जो वर्क है हम स्क्रीन ब्रेक के बाद करेंगे. अभी आपको करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You take a break, then after coming from the break we'll do this. ठीक है? Go wash your face, wash your eyes, have some water. Go. Take a screen break now. We'll meet after 10 minutes now. ठीक है? And this work we'll do after coming from the break.